In this video, I will show you how to increase or decrease. In this video, I will show you how to insert a spin button to increase or decrease value in Excel, like you need to create here. So click on Developer tab if you not see the Developer tab here. So File, More and Options, Customize a ribbon. And check this box Developer. Click on OK. So you have this Developer tab. Now click on it and Insert. And here you will see this spin button. Just click here and keep it. Now drag and drop. If you see the big size, now here insert and click on this active spin button. Now draw here. If it's not work, so select it and draw. Now click this one and drag and drop. Now right click on it. Format control. And here cell link. Select this one and press enter. Click on OK. Now you can increase like this or decrease. It's a simple data, but you can use properly to work it. Same here. Right click from control. Select it and enter. So thanks for watching.